Good one.
Oh,
Nice.
fuck.
That's it.
Sarap.
Good.
Oh. Sarap.
Good one.
Ang sarap. Enjoy.
Sige, ano po ang pangalan niyo, ma'am?
Jessel po.
Jessel. Ilang taon na po kayo nag-volunteer?
4 years.
4 years. Wow, ang tagal na. Okay. Ilang taon na po kayo ngayon?
23.
23. Ayan. So ano po yung experience nyo sa ating katawan dahil sa pag-aapulan ng mga apoy at pagre-rescue?
Sir, yung training lang po kasi kagabi na ano lang po, kaya naglagay ako ng support dito.
Okay. Anong support
Na-dislocate
yan?
siya kagabi.
Na-dislocate?
Oo.
Okay. Gusto mo ibalik natin?
Oo.
Okay. Pero ano nangyari? Nagpa-x-ray ka na? Or?
Hindi, kagabi lang. So,
Kagabi
dati
lang
kasi,
talaga?
oo.
Mhm.
Dati kasi na ano siya, nasipa siya sa taekwondo. So, kagabi pagkasuot ko ng bunker, na ano siya, sumakit
Okay.
ulit.
Pagsuot mo lang?
Opo.
Okay. Good. So ang pinaka nangyayari dito is more of loosen and weak yung pinaka main muscle support natin right here sa traps muscles. Okay?
Yes.
At the same time, yung ating cartilage support ay nagkakaroon ng weakness. Kaya mabilis nagkakaroon ng dislocation. So what we're going to do is strengthening, okay, with your main muscle traps. Okay? Para pagka nagkaroon ng firmness itong main muscle traps natin, napupull niya yung ibang mga tendons, ligaments, and support kapag nagkakaroon ng extra muscle mass. Okay? Nagiging firm ulit yung kapit. Yan, ganyan. So, ang gagawin natin, i-check natin ngayon. Okay, ready ka na?
Ready?
So, sideward.
Sideward.
Yan, all the way up.
Tumunog agad.
Yan, sige, all the way up. Taas mo yung kamay mo. Sige, tingnan natin. Go up. Any pain sa right shoulder?
Yes.
Okay. Gaano siya kasakit? From 1 to 10?
8.
8. Okay, down. Sige, mula sa harap. Yan, all the way up.
Yes.
What is it?
Yes, same.
Same spot or dito or medyo iba?
Dito pa din.
Here, right here. Okay? So, ang pinaka-ilolocate natin, hindi natin ito-touch yung kanyang shoulders or rotator cuff. Why? Kasi kapag ginalaw natin ito, may possibilities na magkaroon ng dislocation ulit. So, we will stay hit here sa kung ano yung ginawa niya kagabi. At ngayon, ang pinaka-i-relocate natin is yung ating lower cervical spine na connected sa ating acromion bone,
Yes.
clavicle, and then after, elbow. Okay? Para mas maayos yung recovery ng ating traps, ay yung ating biceps and triceps. Alright? Ready ka na?
Ready.
Yung.
Parang iba
Right.
to.
Okay. Here. Sige, yuko ng konti. Hold. Right here. Ayan. Ganyan na lang tayo para at least hindi ma-compromise ang iyong shoulder. Sige, yuko. Good one. Inhale. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Good. Okay, so ito ay sobrang good. Okay? Here. Ready? Inhale again. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Nice. That's it.
Yes.
Okay? And then upper. Here. Yep. Hold my hands. Ilock mo yung siko mo. Yan. Good one. Masakit yung shoulder mo, hindi?
Hindi na.
Okay lang? Sige.
Apo.
Hinga. Exhale. Okay, so ito ay very good naman. Alright? Sige. So what we're going to do is, dapa. Next is for this one. Next is for your connected with right here. Okay, right down there. I will push this away. Right down here. Good one. Inhale. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Good one. Nice.
Oh, fuck.
That's it.
Sarap.
Super dami. Okay? Next, sa kabila. Tignan natin. Here. Sige, diretso lang yung face. Good one. And then, push it away. Right here. And then, push it up. Right there. Inhale. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Relax yung shoulder. Good.
Oh.
Nice.
Nice.
How was it? Good?
Okay. Good.
Okay, tihaya ka. Next is for your siko. Para connected dito. Okay? Right through there. Good one. Good. Okay, here. Nice one. Last one here.
Oh. Wow, solid. Sarap.
Okay, relax. Good one, thanks. Good. Here. Sa ating carpal bones. Very nice. Right there. Good one. Here. Lock this one. Alright, very clear. Good. Okay? Good. Next is for your cervical spine right here. Right through there. Cervical one. Here. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax the shoulder. Right there.
Oh.
Nice. How is it?
It's okay.
Kabila. Here. Right there. Good. I will push this through the lower cervical. Inhale. Exhale. Relax the shoulder. Good one. Nice. Good? Okay lang. Sa balakang na tayo. Okay? So, yung ginawa natin for you is for
Shoulder.
muscle recovery ng support. Triceps and biceps and then traps muscles. Para masuportahan ito ng maayos. Okay? Sige. Hawak. Then push this one. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax the shoulder. Good.
Oh. Sarap.
Quality. Okay. Good one. Sa kabila.
Lakas mo nun sa mic.
Right through there. Alright. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Good one.
Ang sarap! Chicken Joy!
Okay? Sige.
Solid.
Stretch natin. Stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Stretch. 2, 2, and 1. Very good. Here. Up. Down. Yan. Chin up, chin up, chin up. Bite your teeth. Bite your teeth. Okay? Sige. Inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Bite your teeth. Good one. Nice. Nice.
Pagalig.
That's it.
Okay na.
Okay? Sit down. Yan. Para sa tenga. Tignan natin yung tenga mo, ha? Okay. Kamusta?
Okay. Naayos.
Good.
Ayos
Here.
na ayos.
This one. Alright. Relax.
Oh,
Relax.
ang cute ah.
Here. Right there. Nice.
Galing.
Oh, kamusta ang experience, ma'am?
All goods.
All goods. Nice.
Galing.
Ayan. Natakot ka ba?
Hindi naman.
Hindi. Ang daming tumunog sa'yo, no?
Oo, sorry.
Okay, so rest assured, no, sa lahat ng mga magiging possible na pasyente natin dyan at yung mga magiging masasampulan natin sa labas, lahat ng mga tumutunog, lahat ng mga ginagawa nating technique is really calculated. Okay? So, sa tamang puwersa, sa tamang positioning, para mas maayos natin yung, ma-release natin yung tension itself at hindi ma-compromise yung ibang mga bones or yung mga ibang nearby muscles na at mako-compromise lahat. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yan. O,
Thank
picture
you,
tayo.
Coach.